We will now just wrap the tissue paper all around the balloon to start beginning to decorate it all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom down here as well, until it looks something like this. Hopefully it does look like a pear. Now I would like to conclude by saying a few things. First, I would like to say that a song is usually, you actually get to sing a song while you're hitting the piñata, and it usually goes like this, like dale, 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 which means go, go, go. Which at the close to the end of the song, it indicates how many swings you have left, which are usually 3. Now, I would like to also say, as Adriana Balsomo said in the New York Times article on May of this year, that making a piñata during quarantine time is a great way to cope with stress the pandemic might have brought. And I totally agree, because piñatas can be made and used for any occasions, that is for a kid's birthday party or just to relieve stress, really. And because sometimes we just want to break things or even hit things.